At the start of the pandemic, the Council acted quickly to bring together our staff and resources with the wonderful charities we have in the borough to create the Wokingham Borough Community Response. Together we created the One Front Door, a telephone line that provides free advice to residents and links people up with charities and services that can help. We started quickly by delivering food parcels and picking up prescriptions for residents who were shielding, as those were the things our residents most needed at the beginning. Now we brought GPs on board and strengthened our mental health support, because after nearly a year of living with the COVID pandemic, that is what we need now.
As GPs, we've noted that the media coverage has largely been about the physical health with COVID-19, particularly with the vaccine, which is really positive. However, we know the mental health of our population has really suffered in this time. 85% of how we're feeling is depending on our social situation. So that might be how much support we have, how much community we have, our financial situation, our housing situation. These problems affect all communities, including the Black, ethnic and Asian minority communities. That's why we're really pleased as a practice, alongside Wilderness Road Surgery, to help support the Wokingham Borough's Response One Front Door service. This is a one-stop shop for finance, housing, employment needs, but most importantly, your mental health and well-being. One Front Door doesn't need a referral from a GP or a council. You can actually contact them directly yourself. They'll try and deal with the problem, and if needed, they will signpost you either back to the GP or to talking therapies or other services. All these services are working together so that you've got a more rounded offer, with less focus on medicines, but more focus on lifestyle and psychological changes, which will help you more in the long term. In the first 2 months of providing the service, the One Front Door has shown that patients have really benefited. We've seen some fantastic case studies of how our patients have been helped by this service. So don't hesitate, contact the One Front Door today. As the team put it, there is no wrong reason to call.
If you or someone you know needs support of any kind, welfare benefits, debt, housing, employment, support for your mental health, domestic violence, or just have someone to have a chat with if you are lonely, contact us, the Wokingham Borough Community Response One Front Door now. Thank you.